We met at the University of San Diego.
She started playing first, and I thought this might be a phase, and I kind of let it play out. But she then started playing more and more, and then she wanted to join at the tennis club, Elite.
Yeah, I started playing 10 years ago in the neighborhood court, and actually a pro came up to me and said, I watched you take a lesson, because I took my first lesson because you didn't get any better. That kind of fueled me to get better, and did it for about 6 months, and then I made my way over to Elite. We have traveled, we take our tennis rackets when we go on trips. I think it'll be a lifelong sport for us. We built each other up, which is another thing that they teach you here.
Yeah.
Keep positive, build each other up. Good for the marriage, good for the tennis match. I play because I think I am competitive. Most important, besides doing it with my husband, also is the friendships that I've made. And I love the family elite atmosphere too that we're a part of.